This is the old LED bar. It is with this kind of round cable. Now I will show you connect to our LED bar together. Okay, so when you connect two pieces LED bar together, they will look like this. You cannot hide the cable. This is the new LED bar. Its size is much bigger than the old LED bar, and it is with this kind of flat cable. One end is with this long cable, and the another end is with a short cable to help you hide the cable when you install the LED bar together. Now I will show you connect two LED bar together. And then you can hide the cables in the slot. So it will look more clear. On the left is our original LED bar. On the right is our updated LED bar.